Okay, today I'm going to show you quick and easy how to make a mouse pad for your computer. Cost you nothing. Well, very little. Alright, I'll show you how to do this. Let's do it. Oh yeah, one thing. You can use old Levi's. You could use any type of material. Leather, okay? So remember, this is quick and easy. Tools you will need: a marker, a pair of scissors, and a box. I want a nice big wide mouse pad, okay? Since we're going to make it, let's do it custom. You can make your mouse pad as big as you like. The other thing you're going to need is, this is like wrapping, just that plastic, rubber, anyways, this is that filler, okay, for packing. Alright, now let's do this. Okay, one other item, you want to spray on adhesive. Okay, you should be able to get this at your auto parts or big box stores, hardware. Spray on adhesive. Alright, I'm going to line this box up with this bottom edge. Okay, and the side. Let's get this positioned here. Alright, I want to get it lined up there at the side and this bottom edge. Okay, straight as possible, but that's not working out. It's not very straight, so I'm just going to set it here in the middle, but it's going to be lined up with this back edge out here. Alright, you take your felt marker and we're just going to trace the box. Alright, done. Now for our material. Alright, now this is for a cushion. Alright, now if you're going to put a back piece on it, then you want to cut to the inside edge of your marker, and then you probably want to add another 1/4 inch to your material so it's wider, so you can glue the outer edge. Alright, now this is just a piece of leather I cut from a chair I was throwing away. Okay, so we're gonna lay this out here on the back side. I can use this as my pattern. If I don't like how well I cut it, I can just use this here as well and then trace this out. Okay, traced, and now I can cut this out. Alright, this styrofoam packing sheet here, when I move it, I have more resistance, okay? And you could use this alone. I'll show you how it works, what the mouse is doing and what it looks like on the screen. Okay, here is the arrow. Alright, it's a touch screen, so it's following my finger here. Alright, but here's the movement on this pad. Okay, now we're going to show you the difference on the leather. Okay, alright, what I find first is with the leather, this top is smooth, alright, the bottom is the rough side, and then this has really it just glides versus this styrofoam packing sheet. Okay, now I was going to use it for a cushion, and I still may, but I find that the leather it grabs and it'll hold itself in place because of the rough side down. Alright, now let's show you the movement on the screen. See, this just really slides well. Okay, this is much more, no resistance. This just flows. Alright, so that styrofoam packing sheet, if you want a little resistance with your mouse, you could just use that by itself. Okay, but on this leather it flows nicely. Alright, so let's finish this video. Alright, we're going to take this spray adhesive. We're just going to spray this. Okay. Alright, and this stuff is very sticky. Alright, now we let this wait a minute. Okay. Alright, now we're going to spray this side, the back side of this leather. Okay. And you let this set. You don't want to drop it. Okay, now we let this set a few minutes, about a minute or so, and then we'll join the two together very carefully. Alright, you get these corners lined up, and you roll it on. It's lined up right here at this edge, outer edge on the side. Okay, and then you just let it roll, keeping it bent back, because it's there. Once this is down. This is now there. That's not going anywhere. Alright, now if I feel like I need more control over the mouse, I can use this styrofoam packing sheet side. Alright. Or if I want more action and better maneuverability, I've got this side. Now I have a cushion for my hand. It works well. My wrist, my arm. Custom mouse pad. Now you're an artist. You can paint it. You can stencil it. You know, be creative. Or just leave it like that. Cost me nothing. Alright, now stay tuned. Okay, how to make a mouse pad. Quick and easy. Remember, easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Tell a friend, help me out. You know, it's a win-win-win. You know, this isn't something that's common. People showing how to make mouse pads. What a deal. So you never know what you're going to get. It's like a box of chocolates, my channel. And so I look forward to hearing from you. Stay tuned. There is a product I'm going to be demonstrating how it works on my vanity. And I'm going to mount it to the wall, the backsplash. And some other things also are coming your way. So tell a friend, help me out, tell your neighbors, tell people you're standing in line talking to, if you're standing in line talking to anybody. So I look forward to hearing from you. Remember, easy 2 tips and tricks so you see everything up close and personal. And it's free, you know. Everything on my channel, I'm showing it to you, because I want you to know. So, help me out. It's a win-win-win. Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. And never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Bye for now. Bye. Man, this works so great. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Try it, you like it.